Hello, I'm here to share how Blueprint is helping companies capture and analyze the work that is being done within their organization and how you can use that information to make better business decisions on improving that work. What we found is that processes within large enterprises can be complex and confusing. In fact, most companies don't have all of their processes documented, which means that as they try to improve, they end up making poor decisions because they are missing critical information. When you understand how people, processes, and technology within your organization work together, you can eliminate redundancies, retire processes that no longer make sense, or improve processes through optimization or even intelligent automation initiatives. With Blueprint, you can consolidate your processes, analyze and understand them, and then confidently take the right actions to improve your business. So, how does Blueprint help you understand the work? The problem today is process information is spread out and stored in a variety of tools and files, from process discovery tools to different RPA technologies and even to unstructured files such as Visio. Here is a process repository in Blueprint. Blueprint's Business Process Hub is technology agnostic and integrates directly with your automation, process discovery tools, and your files to consolidate all this information into one place. Today, our customers integrate Blueprint with these different platforms to import and consolidate their processes across the different lines of business. We help you understand all work, whether it's manual or automated, and everything is combined together in one view. Alternating hierarchies, like this one we're looking at in the process repository, is organized by source platform. This gives you an idea of just how challenging it is to understand processes today, and you have all information in too many places and in too many formats. We help companies solve this problem by consolidating all processes in the same way. Blueprint's Business Process Hub uses digital blueprints to understand all of your processes. These digital blueprints are an agnostic way to give your processes context, understanding, and to gather metrics. Here is an example of an automated process from Blue Prism. This level of detail consolidates all information on how your business does work. It gives understanding and metrics to make decisions on which processes are redundant, which are not needed, and which may need to be improved or even need to be automated. We help customers analyze their combined view of work to make those decisions. This is an example of our overview dashboard, which in this case provides high-level metrics for work being done, both manual and automated. It also highlights processes that require improvement or where there are opportunities for reuse. This is what our customers use to drive their decisions on where investments are needed to improve their business. These digital blueprints group process information in multiple layers of detail, and this means we can drill down into the detail of individual processes or work streams. Maybe we want to look more closely at this opportunity to reuse a process to improve our ROI. We can compare the process being used with one that has already been vetted. Or maybe we need to review the original business case of an automation with very poor ROI to understand how far off it is from the original projection and why it's suffering. In either case, this detailed consolidation of business processes helps our customers understand and act quickly. For processes that are being run and managed, such as automation, the operations view is what our customers use to understand how well these processes are being utilized and performing. And it is from this view customers are able to identify which processes need work, or in this case, which automations need attention. For example, this order entry automation has a very high break-fix cost that suggests a poor quality automation. This tells us that we need to take action, investigate the problem, and prioritize a fix. Another analysis point is to drill into a detailed view of the applications. This is what helps our customers understand which applications a process uses and also which processes will be impacted when there are changes or updates to any of those applications. This is just one example of analysis and insight for a process. Each one of these processes needs to be looked at and actioned, and this is how we help our customers accelerate their business today. The fact is, organizations are plagued with work that is redundant, inefficient, or off task. But you need to understand the work that is being done before you can solve this problem. We help companies understand how work is being performed, consolidate it in our business process hub for analysis. Companies like yours need this process understanding to know where to make smart, meaningful investments. This can include removing redundant work, retiring processes that are no longer needed, and improving things such as intelligent automation. Blueprint's Business Process Hub is helping companies understand how they do work and where to make investments to improve how they operate.